You guys ever worked at a place where you like the company, but they just got bad habits, man, bad communication?
He's going to be all right.
Oh,
Thank God.
finally, some good news.
There's no other way to take that.
That's a great attitude. I gotta tell you, if I was getting this news, I don't know that I'd take it this well.
But you said he was all right.
Yes, he's lost his left hand, so he's going to be all right.
You son of...
And sometimes they just don't want to pay their new drivers right. You know what I mean? Now, to the ones that been here, they hook us up. But
Hey, all this stuff is, it's just a blessing to be doing this stuff, right? The money good. Money good.
so we're gonna go over what happened when you hire them low-paying drivers. Let's get to it. All right, low-paying drivers, right? So this company had a bad habit of starting off drivers really low, and basically $20 an hour, right? And for modern times, that just ain't it. Now, don't get me wrong. This company will give you the hours. But if you want the best of the best drivers, you gotta cough up some of that moolah.
Show me the money.
Am I right? I'm just saying. Okay? Now, for spring, we had, even to now, we had some of the most worst drivers. We used to get guys that were experienced, but then after the pay drop, it went downhill from there. And from there, we've been having accidents after accidents after accidents with the new drivers, with brand new CDLs. And you think, oh, wow, Class A, not B, A. And yes, in a super dump truck, getting into accidents, if you believe me or not. But what people don't get is the box was up in the air. They don't pay attention to low-hanging wires. They want to pop the gate to make sure all the asphalt come out. Oh, look what happened. You cut out a tree, or dang on, you tore down freaking damn power lines. And guess what? That cost the company money, and man, you are fired. I'm gonna get in with two drivers, new drivers that we had, but of course they got fired for doing the most preventable accidents whatsoever.
They're so stupid! Stupid!
The first guy, I don't remember his name, but he was a bald-headed, full beard Mexican dude. He never met the guy, but he was only here for 3 weeks. 3. You know how he got fired? Because we were in a I was in a lower income area, right? And with that, they have very low hanging freaking power lines. Now I know some of you guys are gonna say, well, it's probably the ground and bro, just let me do my thing. All right? But very low usually, man. And if you don't listen, you don't pay attention, you can easily tear it down, man. And guess what happened? After the first day on his own, he tore him down.
God damn it!
Talking about all the lines, boom, tore down, bro. No lie. But hey, remember, drivers are a dime a dozen. Now, let's get into the other guy. Now, this guy lasts a little bit longer. There was something about him I didn't like, though. Maybe because he was a brown noser. You know, every time I saw him on the job site when we were on standby.
Hey, boss. 2 guys were late. One was talking bad about you.
Put these on. It's time we talk about your promotion.
Hi, Adam. How you guys doing? Adam, I didn't see you in so long. How you doing there, buddy? Oh, my God. Adam. Yeah, bruh, that was him. That was him. He would get on my goddamn own nerves with that crap. Now, I don't know if anybody else got annoyed with it, but man, I did, bro. I don't like that kind of crap, bro. Now, I'm not going to say that he was black, white, Mexican, whatever. He
Yeah, we know he's white. Yeah, we know.
was a brand new driver. Remember, drivers are a dime a dozen. But, so what I do, I said I was working on nights at this time, right? I'm coming to work, so I'm hitting my road 1863. Got to my, four-way stop sign to make a right on 3009. Right? So I make that right, and I'm driving up to Natural Caverns, and a little bit before that, I would say, I see a shiny object on a left side, not the side going towards my plant, but it's on the left side. If I'm driving to the right, it's on the left. If you're American, you would know. But I'm like, man, out of all, and once you're in the construction world, you know the vicinity of all the trucks around you kind of look like. Whether you work with them or not, you know. And I know for damn sure we're the only ones with fucking silver goddamn tailgates. And I'm like, that can be a Lone Star truck. Like, that just cannot be a Lone Star truck. Like, what the hell? And all you saw was asphalt everywhere. And I'm like, what the? Bro. No lie. No lie. It
Now you black, you must be lying, fat boy.
was on his side, bro. You know what happened? He had freaking spoils. Pretty much the remaining end of the job, asphalt. After they cut it, they dump it, all the dirt, to clean up the job site. Boom. It was just that. But we had something called Maxwell's, or you may hear them as, I can't remember the other words called, but we had that also. Now, usually when you get spoils, and if you're a little bit heavy, we usually just use our pushers.
Well, what in the hell did you just say?
Like I said, though, drivers are a dime a dozen. This guy uses his freaking Maxwell. And if you work with tag axle, that's the other one, tag axle. And if you ever work with them, you know if you're too light, what's going to happen? Bruh, they ain't no joke. I remember the first time getting into a super dump, bro. I was nervous, dude, because goddamn Maxwell wanted to spin around and everything else. I didn't like that feeling. But guess what?
You know your fat half black ass was scared, boy. He
had a little bit, instead of using his damn pushers, he uses Maxwell. But Maxwell caused the damn truck to spin out of control. And no, actually, I saw the video. I'm going to see if I can get the video and post it for you guys. But, bruh, he spins out of control, which was so preventable. All the dude had to do was slow down. That's literally all the hell he had to do. Slow down, raise his freaking Maxwell. Then all of a sudden, he just, boom! I've been told it took the job site guys 3 hours to clean up. That 3009. But remember, drivers are a dime a dozen.